In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text inside a web page. By the end, you'll be able to read any snippet of foreign language text right where it appears, without switching tabs or copying and pasting. First, make sure the DeepL Chrome extension is installed and active. A quick way to check is to look at the top right corner of Chrome for the DeepL icon, or open the Extensions menu using the puzzle piece button to confirm it's there and enabled. If you see it, you're good to go. If not, pause and take a moment to get it set up so the menu options you need will appear when you select text. Next, open the web page you want to read. This could be a news article, a blog post, a forum reply, or any page with content in another language. What we're doing translates just the part you select, which keeps the rest of the page unchanged and helps you focus on the exact sentence or paragraph you care about. It's especially handy when you're mixing content between languages, or when only a small portion of the page needs translation. Now highlight the text you want to translate. Click and drag over the words, making sure you include the full sentence for the best context. If you only need a term or short phrase, you can select just that. Accurate selection helps DeepL produce a cleaner, more precise translation. Once your text is highlighted, you'll usually see a small DeepL pop-up icon appear close to your selection. Click that icon to translate immediately. If you don't see the pop-up, no problem. Right-click on the highlighted text and choose Translate with DeepL from the context menu. Both methods perform the same action, so use whichever appears and feels faster on your device. A compact pop-up window will appear with your translation. Read it right there without leaving the page. For longer passages, scroll inside the pop-up to see the entire result. The original text and the translation are kept close at hand, so you can compare meaning and tone as you go. When you're done, close the pop-up and keep browsing. A couple of quick tips to get the best results. Select complete sentences when possible to give DeepL enough context, and remember that this works on selectable text. If the page uses images or embedded elements where you can't highlight the words, the extension won't be able to translate that content directly. That's it. With these simple actions, you can translate exactly what you need, where you need it, and keep your reading flow uninterrupted.